Alright, let's break down how test tube babies, more accurately called IVF babies, are made. You might have heard the term test tube baby tossed around, but what does it actually mean? Let's get into the step-by-step process of IVF, or in vitro fertilization. First up, everything starts with the woman's body being prepped. Doctors prescribe hormone injections to stimulate the ovaries, encouraging them to produce multiple eggs instead of just one. Why? More eggs means a better chance of success per IVF cycle. After about a week or two of daily shots and regular monitoring, when the eggs are mature, it's time for egg retrieval. Now, egg retrieval sounds intense, but it's a minor outpatient procedure. The woman is given a mild sedative, and the doctor uses a thin needle, guided by ultrasound, to gently collect the eggs from the ovaries. This part usually takes about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, the sperm sample is collected, either from a partner or a donor. The sperm is then processed so only the healthiest and most active swimmers are used. Next comes the magic fertilization. In a lab, scientists combine the eggs and sperm in a petri dish. Sometimes, a single sperm is injected directly into an egg using a technique called ICSI, especially if there are sperm issues. After fertilization, the dish is placed in a carefully controlled incubator. Over the next few days, scientists monitor the embryo as it grows, looking for healthy cell division. Usually, after 3 to 5 days, you've got a handful of embryos, tiny clusters of dividing cells. The next step is embryo transfer. The best quality embryo is selected, and using a thin catheter, it's gently placed into the woman's uterus. No surgery, no anesthesia. Most describe it as similar to a PAP smear. And now, it's a waiting game. About 10 days later, a blood test reveals if implantation was a success and pregnancy has begun. But IVF isn't a guarantee. It can take several cycles for success, and the emotional journey can be intense. Still, for millions of families worldwide, it's opened the door to parenthood. So to sum up, IVF collects eggs and sperm, fertilizes them outside the body, grows embryos in the lab, and then places a healthy embryo back into the uterus. Science, patience, and hope, all working together. If you've ever wondered how science helps create families, that's the full journey of a test tube baby. No test tubes required. Thanks for tuning in. If you're curious about anything else in the world of science and medicine, don't forget to hit subscribe.